Hi, and welcome back to the Law of Attraction Manifestation and Angel Numbers channel. Join me as I dive deep into the mystery of angel number 2332 and try to uncover its true meaning. Have you ever caught yourself glancing at the clock at exactly 2:33, or seeing the number 2332 appear in your daily life, and wondered what it could possibly mean? You're not alone. Many people have reported seeing recurring numbers and sequences, and it's believed that these numbers hold spiritual significance and guidance from the angelic realm. Today, we're going to explore one of the most intriguing and complex sequences, angel number 2332. If you're new to the world of angel numbers, it's easy to get overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information out there. With so many interpretations and meanings, it's no wonder people get confused. You might have found yourself scrolling through websites, forums, and social media, trying to make sense of it all. Perhaps you've even started to doubt whether these numbers hold any real significance at all. But fear not, dear viewer, because today we're going to cut through the noise and get to the heart of what angel number 2332 really means. The truth is, behind every angel number lies a hidden message, a code that needs to be deciphered. And the key to unlocking this code lies in understanding the individual digits that make up the sequence. In the case of 2332, we have two prominent digits, the 2 and the 3. The number 2 is often associated with balance, harmony, and partnership. It's a reminder that we're not alone in this journey, and that our relationships with others are crucial to our growth and development. The number 3, on the other hand, is all about creativity, manifestation, and positive energy. It's a powerful number that encourages us to tap into our inner child, to dream big, and to take bold action towards our desires. But when we combine these two digits, we start to see a pattern emerge. The 2s and 3s in 2332 are like a harmonious dance, where balance and creativity come together in perfect synchrony. So what does it mean when we see this number appearing in our lives? The core message of angel number 2332 is one of trust and faith. It's a reminder that the universe has our backs, that every setback is an opportunity for growth, and that our hard work will ultimately pay off. This number is a nudge from the universe, encouraging us to keep going, to stay positive, and to believe in ourselves. When we recognize and interpret angel numbers like 2332, we tap into a deeper level of awareness and consciousness. We start to see the world in a different light, where every event, every encounter, and every experience holds a hidden meaning and purpose. And that, my friends, is the true power of angel numbers. In conclusion, angel number 2332 is more than just a sequence of digits. It's a message of hope, trust, and encouragement. It's a reminder that we're not alone, and that the universe is always guiding us towards our highest good. If you've had any experiences with angel numbers, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you're curious to learn more about the world of angel numbers, be sure to check out my video on more related topics. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and I'll see you in the next video. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel.